class. I hope you enjoyed week one as we began our journey together as partners in the teaching and learning process. And I emphasize partners because I believe that's what a good leader does. I'm a guide for you more than your boss. And actually your boss should be a guide. I hope that's what you find in your place of work right now in early childhood education or in other fields if this is an elective for you. I've mentioned before in announcements how essential it is for you to carefully review instructor guidance each week. Our guidance for this course is developed by lead teachers from the University of Arizona Global Campus. Therefore, they have given you a comprehensive outline for all the expectations and the needs in the process of learning for each week. You'll notice that they highlight ideas and directions for the discussions, as well as journals and written assignments. There are also many additional resources included each week in the guidance. Like in week one, did you listen to the TED Talk? If you did, I hope you were inspired by it. If not, although we're beginning week two, go back and review the guidance and the resources from week one. After all, you're here to learn, not just to get a grade. I wish everyone well as we continue with this process over the next 4 weeks. Have a great day. Thank you.